Welcome to our video on how to become a pro in digital marketing. In this video, we will take you on a journey to explore the key skills and techniques required to excel in the competitive landscape of digital marketing. Whether you're looking to start your own business or enhance your career opportunities, this video will equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to succeed in digital marketing. Voiceover. Digital marketing is the art and science of promoting products or services using digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites. The growth of digital marketing has been exponential over the past few years, and it has become essential for businesses of all sizes to have a digital marketing strategy in place. However, with the constant evolution of digital marketing, it can be challenging to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. Skills required to become a pro in digital marketing. Becoming a pro in digital marketing requires a combination of technical, soft skills. Here are some of the essential skills you need to master to become a pro in digital marketing. 1. Social media marketing. Social media is a crucial aspect of digital marketing. To become a pro in digital marketing, you need to know how to leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You need to understand how to create engaging content, build a following, and measure your results. 2. SEO. Search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, SERPs. To become a pro in digital marketing, you need to have a thorough understanding of SEO best practices, including on-page optimization, keyword research, and link building. 3. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to connect with your audience and build relationships. To become a pro in digital marketing, you need to know how to create compelling email campaigns, optimize your email list, and measure your results. 4. Content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating valuable content that attracts and retains your target audience. To become a pro in digital marketing, you need to know how to create compelling content, distribute it, and measure your results. 5. Analytics. Analytics is the process of measuring and analyzing data to improve your digital marketing efforts. To become a pro in digital marketing, you need to know how to interpret data, measure your return on investment, ROI, and optimize your campaigns based on your results. In conclusion, becoming a pro in digital marketing requires a combination of technical, soft skills. To excel in digital marketing, you need to know how to create engaging content, optimize your website for search engines, leverage social media platforms, measure your results, and much more. By mastering these skills, you can take your digital marketing efforts to the next level and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching our video on how to become a pro in digital marketing. Good luck in your digital marketing journey. Outro. Thank you for watching our video on how to become a pro in digital marketing. We hope that this video has given you insights into the essential skills required to excel in this field. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on digital marketing and other topics.